Hey guys, everyone has seemed to have been jumping on the whole Shiba Inu bandwagon regarding their opinions and thoughts on this crypto. I thought I'd do my own sort of analysis on it, coming from a forex background. So, if you've been living in a cave for the past sort of 5-6 days, you would not heard that Shiba Inu has been basically going up and up and up and making a lot of people a lot of money. And on Wednesday, Thursday, it hit its peak at this is dollars, by the way, at about 408, which from the week before is gone up loads. Volumes up there as well. Market cap at the moment, as of recording, is 39 million, which is up 11.5% today, which is crazy. So let's take a quick look at TradingView on my opinions on what's going to happen next. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my only opinion. So let's take a look. So here is the 1 hour charts for SHIB on TradingView. This here was the pump on the 27th going into the 28th. Okay, this is UK time. Okay, so it's 4 in the morning BST. I mean, it drops. I think around here is where Coinbase crashed, which was quite funny because everyone started shitting themselves. But there you go. This is a pullback. So you'll see here, I've drawn this dotted line. On the day it pumped up, I'll put a screenshot here now. I predicted that it will pull back to the previous high, which was, I like using whole numbers, which was 406. Okay, and as you can see here, it did that nearly to the T. So that's quite a good prediction there. And then it pulled back. Okay, so basically what happened here, everyone started shitting themselves and pulling out their money. Okay, so they're probably up 200-300% on their investment from the few days before that. So hence why it drops. Okay, so a lot of people were selling, getting their profits, and running into the sunset. But because Shiba's got a massive fan base out there, something bad will have to happen for Shib to go go back to this sort of level here. In my opinion, it's too much volume, too much hype. Okay, so the next day it pulled back and then retested this level again. So okay, this support level is holding quite well. And then over the weekend, it's sort of consolidated a little bit here, and then yesterday afternoon it tested this again. So it looks like this level is holding quite well. So if we can go back to the previous sort of little rally we had, so right up here from towards the end of October, 23rd of October, so a week prior to the big spike. So it's consolidating here pretty much for a long time. Hit the highs and then went back down to this sort of this level of 4 zeros and 200. So we saw a little spot. I think this was because Elon Musk tweeted a photo of his dog, which is a Shiba Inu dog, I believe. But don't hold me to that. So it rallied up a little bit, and then it pulled back down. So it used this previous high as a support level, which it has done. So I bet it rallied up and up. So that was my opinion on this level here, as using the previous high as support. So the last few days has sort of been consolidating a little bit between 7, 8, and 6 level. So the question is, what's going to happen next? I think this has got a big scope to go higher, in my opinion. Where you can draw in your trend lines here, and then you can make a little wedge. Basic technical analysis going on here, basic chart work. As you can see here, it's sort of consolidating in this wedge. So any more sort of downside will test or break this support level and then go further down. I don't think it will, but as you know, crypto is very volatile, so it could do that. What could happen? It might pull back slightly, sort of test this sort of intraday support at 63, 6400, and it could break out and knock off another zero. To do that, it's not too far away. I have to break the highs and then pull back to this support and then go higher. I'm not sure when that will be. I say we've got some more volume coming in at the moment. The EMAs I've got 50 and the 200. So it's testing. Basically, this 200 EMA is being tested. Has been tested at the moment on this support level. So it's also adding up for it to be a good scenario here. It all depends what's going to happen with Robinhood, whether they're going to put the coin on their database or not. If they do, it could probably have a good effect on Shiba, but I think all the Shiba fanboys out there will have enough, as in retail traders. Sorry, all the retail traders out there will look to buy more and more of this. So if you're looking to buy, a good level would be around the 6.3, 6.4 level. To then sort of, if it does go in the opposite direction, get out, 54, 53. But long term, definitely hold. It'd be nice to see Sheep get to. Everyone says it's going to get to 10 cents, yeah. But looking at it on a chart, it's miles away yet. So if that ever does happen, it's not going to be for a while yet. And this market cap is going to have to be crazy big. So let's see how it gets on. At the moment, I'm holding. Possibly buy some more if you look for a sort of a little pullback here, and then sort of wait to see how it reacts to this wedge. If it goes above the wedge, obviously it may retest it to go back up. So let's keep an eye on it, see what happens. And as I said, it's very volatile, so please only put on there what you can afford to lose. And hopefully in a couple of days, we should see possibly a breakout of the highs. 301 should be a good level to get at. Short term, longer term, who knows? This is a no man's land at the moment until we get some sort of structure here on this previous high or this previous high here. These are the two levels to look out for: 40600, and then obviously the highs from last week, which is 408, 409. Okay, see you later.